Welcome to Timber Sky Retreat, a celebrated and widely featured mountain estate at 140 Wormy Chestnut Road, Burnsville, North Carolina. Showcased in numerous magazines and design websites, this enchanting home was designed by renowned Platt architecture and is perched majestically on a rocky outcropping within the exclusive mountain air gated community. This dreamy retreat delivers breathtaking panoramic views of the Blue Ridge Mountains. From the moment you arrive, custom stonework and a serene creek flowing beneath a picturesque bridge create a magical storybook setting. The home's exterior, crafted with locally sourced rock, harmoniously connects the residence to its rugged surroundings, complemented by lush landscaping, a tranquil recirculating waterfall, and native flora. Spanning 8,500 square feet across 3 inviting levels, Timber Sky Retreat offers luxurious spaces thoughtfully designed for entertaining family and guests. Step inside through accordion doors to experience the magical blend of indoor comfort and natural beauty, as mountain fog gracefully drifts across rich, resawn, antique oak floors. The main level captivates with a grand, open-concept living and dining area, anchored by an exquisite floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace and adorned in warm, earthy hues. The gourmet kitchen features reclaimed knotty chestnut cabinetry, farmhouse sink, and a welcoming island perfect for gathering. Retreat to the upper level's elegant master suite, where expansive picture windows frame serene mountain vistas. Younger guests will delight in charming bunk rooms with whimsical details, including a Narnia room accessed through a playful hidden wardrobe. Entertainment abounds with a home theater, fitness room, arts and crafts studio, and wine cellar. Outside, enjoy unforgettable moments around the fire pit, relax in the spa, or dine al fresco on the spacious covered patio, equipped with comfortable seating and built-in grill. Timber Sky Retreat isn't just a home, it's your gateway to an extraordinary mountain lifestyle. Furnishings and golf carts are negotiable, and a generous club credit awaits buyers securing a full golf membership at Mountain Air Country Club. Discover mountain living at its finest, where every day feels like an escape. Timber Sky Retreat, 140 Wormy Chestnut Road, Burnsville, North Carolina.